Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Happy New Year's. I am so excited to share with you what I just picked up at Louis Vuitton. It is absolutely adorable, and since I saw a photo of it a few months ago on FOXYLV's Instagram, I immediately texted my SA and said, I have to have this. And he called me up, he had it, I ran down, paid for it and picked it up, and it did not disappoint. Therefore, let's just get into it. We have two items to unbox, and we are going to start with the smaller item, which is in this box. We've got the catalog grid. I absolutely love to receive and collect these. They have gorgeous, gorgeous photographs and information, and I just love having these in my purse room or in my office. I find that they are just really beautiful and enjoy reading them. Okay, next up, we have the receipt. And in here with the beautiful, beautiful Christmas ribbon, we have the first item. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it like this so you can get a better view. Small box. If you have been with me for a while, you are not going to be surprised about what's in the box. This is a limited edition collection that is launching January 1st. And here it is in the tiny, tiny dust bag to reveal, oh my goodness, it is the micro pochette in the pink denim with the gold hardware. This is gorgeous. Here is a close-up, the micro pochette in the denim rose color, made in France. The vachetta tab, gold hardware, inside it has beautiful pink microfiber material along with the gold key holder or key ring, which you can leave tucked inside. And here is the reference number for the item. This was $735 US. And again, just so absolutely gorgeous. And again, this is a micro pochette. Let me show you. This is the mini pochette, and as you can see, the micro is substantially smaller than the mini pochette in both length and height. It's a better look at the interior. It is a dusty rose interior, a dark dusty rose, I would say. Hopefully you can see it there. With, of course, the gold hardware, just so beautiful. Has the LV right there. So pretty. Bag number 2. Inside, we have this with the beautiful Christmas ribbon and the little card. Before we open this one, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope that you will click on the subscribe button down below, hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video, and for my returning subscribers, thanks for tuning in. Okay, let's go ahead and open this one. This is super adorable, and I have been waiting to get my hands on this one. I'm gonna give you a close-up. Here is the beautiful packaging. Taking this ribbon off, and I gotta tell you, you know that I like big bags. However, sometimes you really have to open your mind to other things. And here we have the gorgeous Nano Speedy in the denim rose pattern. Look at this. This is too much. It is stunning. Here she is, the gorgeous Nano Speedy. It has vachetta handles and tabs. The adorable little holder, because she does come with an adjustable strap, which I will share with you in a moment. And if you see, the dusty rose is almost gradient. It's darker here and it's lighter over here. There's the side. Here's the other side. And this side here is much, much lighter. And you can see the difference in color right here. And let's open her up. And the interior is basically the same denim. Made in France. And here is the item number. And it has gold tone hardware. Look at this. This is so cute. And let me show you the strap. It comes with an adjustable vachetta strap. It's got the gold tone hardware also. On the clips right there, Louis Vuitton. And you just put them on here. And I'll go ahead and insert some photos that I took at the store when I went to pick her up, so that you can see how she looks on me. And this is just adorable. Official measurements, I would say 6 1/4. 6 1/4 length. And almost 5, a little bit less, 5 in height. And then the width is about 3 inches, I think. Those are the unofficial measurements, because this cutie patootie is not on the website yet. And again, I love big bags, but this is just adorable. When I saw the pink denim, I thought I really need to have it. This bag is obviously a weekend bag when you only need to put, actually, I think a cell phone fits in here, but I haven't had a chance to try it. Give me a second. All right, let's try and see now. This is my phone case. Now I have an 11S, I think it is. I have not upgraded to the new 13. And the 11 fits in here without a problem. I'm not sure how the 13 Pro will fit or if it shall fit. This is the new addition to the collection. Love it. I will do a what fits in this bag in a few days. And other than that, everyone stay safe and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.